Hello, 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 everybody. What's up, everybody? It is me. And today we are doing the thing that we have been doing, the driver dash, even though I should probably rename this. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna rename it because we have an actual name for the game now. It is Car. It is just Car. That's the game we're making, guys. Car. So, Car. Last stream we created the menu and we created the main menu, death screen. We created a lot of stuff actually. We created the UI. So today we're gonna keep track of which levels we've completed, which levels we've unlocked. Then we're gonna complete and make level 1. We're gonna make sound effects and background music. And then we're just gonna make level 2 and level 3. And I'm pretty sure that's the full game. So this is probably the full game right here. If I think of anything more, I'll add it to the list, maybe make another stream for tomorrow. But this is probably it. Um, Yesterday I thought of something to add to this list, but I completely forgot it, so we're just gonna ignore that for now. Let me just give birth real quick, go to streaming. My mic is on. So I'm actually listening to synthwave radio right now. But you guys won't be able to hear this because I think it's copyright. So I don't think I'm allowed to. So as you can see, you guys can't hear it. You guys get to listen to the background music I have, which I have no clue what that sounds like. I should probably watch my own streams. I usually do. Like, usually when I stream, or back then when I streamed, I would actually just rewatch the whole thing, after streaming, as long as it wasn't, like, 6 hours long. If it was just, like, a 1 or 2 hour stream, I would rewatch it, just to analyze it and see what I did right, see what I did wrong, and then just kind of take note of that for the next stream, trying to get better each and every stream, that's the YouTube grind, man. So, alright, we're working on our game Car, but let's create a new script, new mono behavior script. Let's rename it, stat tracking. Let's name it something, no, let's, stats. Let's just name it stats. Let's open it up. And I want this script to contain all of the public static variables, which are variables that can be used by all the other scripts throughout the whole game. So we're gonna delete this. Alright, so in our driver script, we have a public static level variable. Let's change that. Let's just go ahead and delete it. Oh no, it's already, dude, it's already like, whatever, man. So we have that here now. When it's level, you're at the menu or somewhere else. And when you're at level 1, then it will change to level 1. And the reason I have this is because when you die, I would need to keep track of which level you were just at. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense, that makes sense. Although I do have some public static variables here. Public static. I have them right here. So, this keeps track of which ones you have, done. So let's just go ahead and copy them, paste them into here. And then I feel like if this is true, then 2 should be unlocked. And then if this is true, 3 should be unlocked. So I do not need more public variables than this. Okay, here, I need to drink water. I just spent like at least 30 minutes reading this like weird paper thing. It was homework that I was supposed to do for one of my classes. It was the story of the Garden of Eden told of someone writing it from Eve's perspective, pretending to be Eve. And it was just so It was so weird, man. Here, wait. Oh, water. It was so weird. Okay, so this is where we're gonna keep track of our stats. So in our driver, we have level, um, equal. Okay, here we go. So yeah. So instead, all we have to do, I think, is stats.level, right? Stats.level equals 1, stats.level equals 2, equals 3, equals 0. This, this, this. I'm pretty sure that's all you gotta do. Do I even need to add this? Here, I'm curious. I'm kind of curious whether or not this will actually just work. So I'm gonna save it, go back to my console. Yeah, okay, I have, yeah. Driver does not contain a definition for level. Level 1, driver. Okay, delivery. I'm just gonna find, I think it's down here, and right, yeah, level 1 win, level 1 win, level 2 win, level 3 win, level 1 win, level 2 win, level 3 win. Did that change anything? It did indeed. So now it's just level. I think I just missed some, right? Where are you? Where are they? 200... Huh? Do you mean... That doesn't exist. Driver does not contain a definition for level. Level. Oh, sure. That's what I want to do. Stats.level, level. Yeah, seems alright to me. Yeah, no, that seems alright to me. So where exactly are these? This one says 108, 189, right here, this line, 27. 189, yeah, what do you mean? It's right here, stats.level. If we go back, a public static int level equals 0, right? Yeah, so what's the problem? Oh, here, let me try adding a game object named stats. Real quick, stats. Let's just go ahead and put this. Well, first reset, add component stats. Um, See if that changes anything. Does that change anything? No, I don't think it does. And I don't think we need to do that. I don't know what's the problem here. Because it's literally here, 1 or 200. What do you mean? I'm in my driver script. Okay, we're already facing with a problem here. That's cool. That's so cool, dude. I don't have any other public static stuff in any of my other scripts. Yeah, I don't. Um, do do do. Um, maybe dr driver that is dead. Wait. Is dead. Oh, here we go. This is another one. Let's put that in no stats. Because we want every public static thing in here now. So is dead equals false. Basically, you know what, let's just change this. Because it's not accurate, really. Let's do can move instead. Okay, can move equals false. So let's go back here. Is dead, and we're just gonna change this to stats dot can move. Stats dot can move. So wait. Stats dot can move. Stats dot can move. Okay. So basically that's just like if can move equals false, then you can move, otherwise you can't move. Pretty self-explanatory. I think I know why these errors are appearing. I just have to find it. Driver. This is... We need to change this to stats.canMove equals true equals false for our timer. Is there any other script that's using public stuff or referring to another script that used to have a public? Maybe this one? Driver. Ooh, okay. I think this is the problem we were facing. Yep, this is the problem we were facing. This is why we had those errors. So, okay, stats.level. Stats.level. Okay, close. I want to save. Just save everything. Save everything. Go back. And you know what? This is how Roblox usually works. In Roblox, you usually have a leader stat script, and that contains all of your variables that you want to save and load for your games. So honestly, from a logic perspective, this is going to work. So we have all of our savable, like, stats here that can be used by every other script. I don't think I need Bush Effects open. I don't think I need WinText open, because I mean those scripts work. I might need timer. Our main two scripts is our driver script and our delivery script, and well, let's keep stats open and timer open for now. Okay. I mean, okay, it could work. Let's go ahead and just test our game and see what happens. All we did was transfer all of our public static variables into a single script, and now every other script refers to that script in order to use those variables. Whoa. Apple bread. No, no, no. I'm just gonna, like, test the whole game real quick, you know? Gotta get a boost. Oh, that's one thing I could add to the list. Because if you collect a boost, and then you collect another boost, while you still have the first boost, it glitches. Like, it doesn't add to your boost, it just, like, does nothing. Yay! Oh, there's another glitch. When you win, I want the timer to stop. I should write these down, dude. Let's write these down. Let's write these down somewhere. Here, I'll write them down here. Just as a reminder. Timer... Make timer stop when on win, and boost overlay when collecting the boost while boost. I'll understand that, probably. Okay. The stream's alright, right? Oh wait, I think I need to make it... It's private right now. Yeah, okay, let me just public this. Save. It's public now. I should probably Also do the thing. Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, I've been live for 15 minutes, it looks like, and it's been private. Doesn't matter, it's fine. Honestly, these developer streams, and I plan to do a lot of streams that are just me working on stuff from now on because I've just been really lazy, and these streams have been helping me so much with being productive again. I feel like I've gotten used to being lazy. Like back then, I got into a very, at least I think it was a really healthy habit of just being productive, wanting to actually work. But I got into a strange habit of not doing that. I no longer had that mindset of I want to get something done today. And to be fair, I still have that mindset still, which is why I'm doing this, but it's just not like it used to be greater. I used to be I feel like now I've gotten used to being okay with doing nothing all day, and it's just been really messing me up a little, which is why I'm doing these streams basically. But enough ranting. We gotta keep developing. Another thing I want to do is let me just do this right now. In the side of our win, I would like wind particles to be everywhere. So let's go into death, just paste it, and let's change the color, let's change the name, death particles. Let's go into our inspector, change the color, let's change it to like a good color red, and then like a darker color red. There we go. You died. Haha, you died. Noob. Let's go ahead and save that as we go into menu. Let's add that. Menu particles. We're gonna make it, I'm thinking just like gray, right? like a darkish gray to a this isn't white. Yeah, that's not white. Should it be different or the same? I think it should be the same. Is it too fast? Maybe it might be too fast. I feel like that's nah, okay, it's good, it's good. It's just decorations. Okay. So I'm still getting this error, just like last time, and that's because we haven't actually changed our logic in our other scripts yet. So let's go ahead and do that. So when you win, I want to bring the player to the win screen. If stats level equals 1, that means you were just at level 1, and your stats at level 1 win equals false. Then make it true and make this text you unlocked level 2. Else, unlock text is just good job. Good job, you beat it again for some reason. I don't know why you would do that, but good job. This seems like it worked to me. I don't know why it's still not working. I might have to create a separate script that's specifically located inside of the win scene, and I'm thinking that would work. Like, I don't have to fit all of my code inside of driver and delivery. I can make a new script that does this very thing. I just don't know why it's not working. Like, object reference not set to an instance of an object? Oh, dude, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna make a new script, because I have no clue why this isn't working. Because, okay, let's go into our win. Save. You know what? Just for the sake of it, for testing purposes, I do want to go into Canvas, unlock. I want to change the text to just null. Or testing default text. Sure. Default text. Just for testing, if you go into a car, if I go into a car, not you, I, um, oh man, delivery. Inside of delivery, unlock, unlock, right here. Yeah, okay, see, I don't know why it's not working. I really don't. It's, it's specifically at line 193, which is the exact same line I'm at right now. It's breaking at this line, and I have absolutely no idea why. So I'm going to create a new script. I'm gonna create a new script. I'm gonna name it, what am I doing? This script is specifically for the win text, so that the win text is complete. So, win text. Hold on. I already have a script named win text. That's weird. Let's delete this new script. Let's go into win text, because I think we could probably just put that in win text, right? Yeah. Win text script. It's right here. It already has the unlock text thing, so yeah, no, this seems logical to me. Okay, win text. So, instead of win text, I want to make it so... Sorry, I might randomly, like, because I'm listening to synthwave radio, I might just randomly, like, I don't know. Anyways, how do I make it so... I had an idea that it would probably work, but it's not very, like, I don't know, let me think for a second then. Okay, timer. So yeah, that does the yellow thing. I could, ooh, on start. Wait. Unity to the new script default. Default. Uh-huh. Yeah, void start. So this is for when it initializes. Doo doo doo. So when it starts, okay, if, and let's just put out code in there, right? That might work. Doo 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 doo. So that's just that. Put that in here. And then this should work. All this code in delivery should work inside the win text. What's that sound? That is a really weird sound. Was that like a car or like a truck? That was so weird. Anyways, start. If your stat.level equals 1, blah 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 blah. Let's save here, go back. Let's see if there's errors. There is. Oh, yeah. Okay, we gotta change it. Unlock text. Unlock. Unlock. Save, go back. There should be no errors. Says every time there's an error. Okay, let's go to menu, save, play. Please, I don't want to see the same exact error. Okay, let's win. Let's win. Winnie. We're gonna win. Yes. Oh, it worked, it worked! It worked! You unlocked level 2. Let's play level 1 again. It works. It works, it works. I shouldn't be saying that, I'm gonna like jinx it. Good job, good job, good job! Oh, 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 oh. Okay, level 2. Let's go ahead, let's win. You unlocked level 3? Let's do level 2A again. Why not? Oops. Sorry, Duber. You don't want an apple? Good job. Good job. And then level 3. Shouldn't level 3 just be good job, I think? Maybe? Because, oh no, you beat the game. You beat the game! And then if I beat the game again, it should just be good job. Oh yeah, I wanted to add like a Jason Wilbur Easter egg. Good job. Okay. Let's go, dude. Okay, it works. We fixed it. We fixed it, we fixed it, we fixed it. Now, inside of, menu, I want to, okay, let's just create a new script. I know we've been creating new scripts, and, but I should be okay with creating new scripts. Because it, like, look at my driver script. It's almost at both my driver and delivery scripts are both almost at 200 lines of code, and I don't think it necessarily needed to go to that length. And it might be unorganized, but whatever. Let's create a new script. And this new script is basically gonna black this out and black that out based on if they're unlocked or not. So, and then it will also change the color based on it. Do I have like a green? Did I do that? Did I? Wait, hold on. Did I? Or did he? You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Dude, why am I so dumb? I didn't need to do this. I could have just... I didn't even need to make quit button red. I could have done this in the program. Look, all I have to do is go to levels, level 1, inspector, change color, green. Look! I'm stupid, bro. I'm literally stupid. Okay. And then, in order to make it black, all I have blacked out, I just need to do that. Okay. Perfect. This is so perfect. Okay, let's create a new, script. Mono behavior script, let's name it menu levels. Menu levels. Just name it menu levels. I'm thinking it has to be void on start. So void on start. Then it simply goes like if stats dot level 1 equals true, or how should I do this? It's going to equal false, so let's just do false first. But I need to drink water. Am I just really dehydrated? I feel like this isn't normal. Because it's either I'm really dehydrated, or I'm just so unused to talking this much that my throat literally can't handle when I'm talking this much. And that right there, let that one sink in. I have no friends. Anyways, level 1 equals false. And if level 1 equals false, I can assume, here, we need to create some object stuff. No, no. Mom. Mom. Game object. Wait, is game objects? Private. Okay, yeah, game object should be the one we use. So let's go ahead. Game object. We need 3 game objects. Let's name them level 1, level 2, level 3. Let's make sure that's not named. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think we're good. And we'll have to connect them later. But if level 1 is false, then I want level 2 dot color equals color dot black. Does that work? No, it doesn't work. Hold on. Duber. Duber my Uber Duber. Hold on. Wait a second. Image. Wait. What do you mean image Duber? How does this work? Wait, what? What? How does this work? Oh, because it's an image. It's an image. It's an image, dude. Wait, where's my car? Where's my car? Driver. Drive back. These are all like... Okay, wait, so when I deliver to Duber and it has a burger, then blah blah, burger effect, Duber confetti, Sprite, get the object. Oh, I need to make a Sprite thing then, right? Because game objects... I don't know. No, this just holds like an image, right? Okay, wait, let's go back. Level 1, Sprite Renderer. Okay, so we do actually need this. Sprite Renderer, Sprite Renderer. Level 2, Sprite Renderer dot color equals color dot black. Component Sprite Renderer. Okay, this should work. And then I'm also gonna do that for L2, L3, L2, L3, 3, and I don't know. Let's not be super like specific here yet. And then if it's not false, and if that's not false, then we can assume it's true, but if stats.level 2 when equals false, then only do this as black. But either way, I want to make L1 level 1. This is so dumb. Hold on. This is dumb. Let's just make it out here. Like, what am I doing all this for? Okay. One dot color equals green. Either way, let's make it green. Otherwise, let's make this... I feel like I'm making this way too complex. This shouldn't be that complex. It should just... Maybe we should just simplify this. Make it really easy to understand that... Yeah, you know what? Yeah... No... Okay, I think we do have to actually do it like this. So, if that's true, then it should be green, but see, if this is false, else, if it's true, and you have defeated that, then let's go ahead and make L2 green. But if stats.level 3 win equals false, then make this black. Otherwise, make this green. Okay, this was really complex. It didn't need to be this complex, but I'm pretty sure this should work. Okay. But I don't know if my syntax is correct. Let's just go ahead and press save, go back. Yeah, okay, great. Oh. Oops. Oops, forgot this. Very simple error. Okay. Save. Oops, that's not good. Bro. What do you mean, bro? Have I changed like a sprite color before? Haven't I? I remember I changed like a canvas image color. But these aren't images. These are actual like in-game 2D sprites. So, but it shouldn't be all that different. Oh, dude. I need water. Man. Oh, I love synthetic radio so much, man. Oh. Okay. So... color doesn't contain green. Color doesn't contain green. Color doesn't contain green. Let's create a new game object. Let's name it menu levels script. So let's go ahead, reset the transform, add component menu levels. So that when we get rid of all those errors, we will eventually assign our level sprites to the script. Okay, so... Queso. Field initializer cannot reference the non-static field method or property menu levels.level 2. What? What you mean by that? I hope I spelled them right. 2, 3. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I spelled them right. Am I missing something here? Scene manager? I don't think I am. And I've used color.black before. Or is it... Is it lowercase? Is it a lowercase? Because we've used color dot stuff before. In here, win text. Color dot, yeah, and it was lowercase, so let's just go ahead and save. Maybe that was, oh, okay, it was for some of it. I think. Okay, so menu levels dot level 1. Hmm. Yo, I'm about to ask ChatGPT low-key. Like, you feel me? Yeah, I'm about to ask ChatGPT. Low-key. There's times where I'm in class and I feel like telling others about my YouTube channel, but then I remember that I'm literally using AI in my streams. Not like any of them would even like watch any of my videos or anything, but I mean, still, it's still like a unnecessary risk. Um, even if the risk isn't great. This isn't working. Please fix it, bro. Should I give more details or what? Level 1, 2, and 3 are 2D sprites. It's in the game. The Unity 2D thing, not images. And they do... That's images. Okay, whatever. Yeah. Alright, bro. Okay, bro. Alright, bro. I see exactly what's wrong. Okay, bro. Problem 1. You cannot use serialized fields outside functions. This is illegal. What do you mean it's illegal? What do you mean? Outside of... Really? Why? That's so weird. You're telling me all I have to do is... this? Save? Go back? Oh, it did get rid of some. Alright, bro. Blah 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 blah. Welcome to wrong property name you wrote. This. It should be... Are you serious? Are you serious right now, bro? It's just lowercase the... Is that how it is in the timer? Or in the win? It is! I swear. It's just... Make it lowercase, please. Like, come on, man. Save, go back. Are you serious? Was that it? Wait, does it work now? Oh, yeah, okay, I need to assign my stupid... level 1, level 2, level 3. Play. Okay, that's temporary, by the way. Apple, bread, burger, Uber, chicken nuggets, cheese ball. Alright. Yo, this is one of my favorites, and it's not actually in my. For anyone who wants, if you're watching the stream right now, either in the present or future, if you're watching in the future, then please go to my playlist. It is my top 10 favorite synthwave radio songs. They are all amazing bangers, and you should see them. Why is that still black? I think that's just like a little. I mean, it essentially works. I think the code works. It's just if this isn't, then if this. Then make it green. Then make it green. Else. Wait. Okay, wait. My logic here is wrong. If this is false, then. Wait. What? Then make this black. But if level 2 is true, as in you just beat it, I want level 2 to be green, and I want level 3 to just be, like, white. Right? Otherwise, hold up, wait. If stats.level 3 win equals false, then I want it to be white, else, as in you have done it, it be green. Okay, there we go. I think that works. That works! Okay. We did it. We did it! However, I don't want it to be pitch black and pitch green, so we're just gonna go ahead and figure out how to make it an exact hex color. Or not, it doesn't have to be a hex color, but, here, let's go here, let's change it to the good green. The green we want. The green we need. Hex. I have too much stuff open. I hate when I have too much stuff open. It like gives me severe anxiety and, you know, nah, I'm kidding. But it does annoy me a little. I don't want it to be plain green. I want it to want my colors to be specific text colors. For example, this is the specific green I want. How would I do that in the script? By the way, it works now. Thanks, girlfriend. Pissy, kiss, kiss. Full script. Hey, it works now. I love that for us. Now let's upgrade you from basic green to custom hex green energy. Bro, ChatGPT is so weird for that. I would never say anything like that. I would never say that. I would never use emojis like that. That is so weird. You are so weird. Okay. How would I do it? Just tell me. Are you serious? Why can't it just be easy, huh? Unlock green. Unlock green. Color. Unlock green. Color. Try parse HTML string. This out. What? What are you even saying? How to make some Unity 2D assign text color C#. Yeah, because this, you know what? This was screaming AI to me. This was just so AI. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask Google AI instead. String hex color. No, remove hex. Wait, what? Are you serious? New color? If out. What? Why isn't it just simple? Create a new color 32 object. Why do I need to make like an... It doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense, dude. Assign the color. Sprite renderer dot color equals new, and this equals new. Can I just do this? Hold on. What if... hear me out. What if I just did this? I did this, and I just like be quiet. 0255 127. Okay, what if that works? Please? Please just work. I don't want to go through all that weird stuff, bro. Does that work? Hold on. Wait. Let's see. And what's the specific color black I want? 2... 100. Black. 100. 100. 100. Boom. Boom. And then I'm pretty sure white. I mean, just for consistency's sake, let's just go ahead and just do this. But I'm pretty sure color.white would have worked perfectly. Save. Okay, let's see if this works. Because I do not want to do whatever ChatGPT, who's, I don't know, acting weird for some reason. I don't... It's like... But... Yeah, let's see if this... Oh, ho, 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 ho. I think it worked. It worked, it worked. Yes. See, and that's what I'm saying, though. Don't use AI. Don't use ChatGPT, and when all hope is lost, use Gemini. Is that what Google's AI is named? Yeah, it works. It actually works. It actually works, bro. Apple, bread, Duber, Uber, chicken nuggets, cheesy peasy. I unlocks level 3. Mama moo, mama me, mama me, mama moo, mama mama, mama me, me, mama moo, mama moo, mama moo. You beat the game. Okay, it works, it works, it works, it works. Okay, get rid of ChatGPT, because, I don't know, chat is acting weird right now. Oh, dude, okay. It works. The text thing works, my stats work. That all works now. So let's go back to our dev space. I believe level completion tracking absolutely totally works. We did it, guys. We did it. We completed our first task of the day, level completion tracking. Now all we gotta do is finish level 1, then we're gonna add sound to the game, then we're gonna finish level 2 and 3. Simple. Simple, super easy, super duper duper easy. Go. Let's go to level 1. Oh, first off, I do want to fix these 2 bugs. So, make timer stop on win. That should be simple. So, how should I go at this? How should I go at this? Is running. Private rule. True. Can I just turn is running false? Because this is all like when you lose. This is when you lose. But I feel like when I win, I can just turn is running false. I can make is running a public variable. Okay, hold on. Let's copy this, paste this. Let's rename it. Let's rename it timer running. Timer running is true by default. Is running. Yeah, okay. Let's change it to stats dot timer running. And it's true. But when you win, right? In delivery, I think it's delivery, yeah. In delivery, check win, stats dot, let's just stop our timer. Timer running equals false. Let's save, oh wait, no. Public static rule. Save, go back, no errors. There is no, come on. Yes, okay. Let's go back to menu, press play. Oh, yeah, and we need to make it so you can't go to level 2 or 3 when blah blah blah. Okay, that should be easy. Let's go ahead and win. And see if our timer stops. It stopped. Okay, when I go back, though, do I ever make it start again? Oops. Okay. Yeah, see? It's my instinct, bro. It's my instinct. So, okay. How do we make it run again? In our driver, when we compare tag, when we go to that, invoke level 1, scene go to level 1, stat, we're also going to do stat timer running equals true for every level. Okay, but here's the catch, when you touch level 2, you know what I could do? No, I don't want to do that. I could do that. No, I'm not gonna do that. So, okay. this, level 2, but only... It's doing the whatever. If stats dot level 1 win equals true. Dude, I hate this so much. I'm gonna reopen it. I swear I'm gonna reopen it. Equals true. If it's true, then go ahead. Otherwise, don't do anything. Otherwise, don't do anything. Right? Like, you can only go into level 2 if you've completed level 1. You can only go into level 3 if you completed level 2. Level 2. This should work. I feel like this should work first try. Let's go ahead and save. Go back. There's gonna be no errors. Now let's test this. Okay. Look, it works, it works. I cannot go into level 2 or 3. I can go into level 1. Okay, the timer starts. I do the game. Boom, timer stops. You unlock level 2, go to menu. And now I can't go to level 3, but I can go to level 2. And then the timer starts again. Bread, burger, chicken nuggets. Timer stops. You unlock level 3. I can go to level 1 again. And the timer resets and it does start. And it stops. Good job. Dude. Let me complete level 3. This is low-key satisfying. You beat the game! Okay. Okay. We just fixed 2 problems there. 2 bugs. So, yeah, we did this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove that. Boost overlay, okay, so there's a bug. Let me go ahead and show you guys what the bug is. I'm gonna press play, and I'm gonna go into level 1. So, like, there's a boost up here, right? A boost, I go down, and there's another boost. I collect it, but look, it doesn't like overlap, it doesn't override. So, I don't know if this is gonna be an easy fix or not, but let's see. So the script that contains our boosts is, I believe, is it driver? Yeah, I think it's driver. Yeah, right here. So if it's boost, on trigger enter 2D. If it's boost, play effect, blah blah blah. And then, where is it? Invoke and boost. This should be at the end. That's kind of weird. I feel like the invoke thing should definitely be at the end. Just logically speaking. But I want to make it so if you do that, then somehow, if I can make like a variable that says like you have a current boost, and if that is true here, um, hmm, but I don't. Here's the thing, because this is being invoked. This is end boost, which is down here, which changes it all back to normal. That's being invoked, so that has to happen. Even if we create like some sort of variable that says that you do currently have a boost. Therefore, what exactly? Can I stop this from happening? Can I overwrite it? I have no idea what the code would be for that. Boost. Oh. I can't believe this is the first stream. I've worn my headphones every stream and I haven't listened to anything. So throughout the stream, because I can't hear the background music that you guys are currently hearing, that's just how OBS works, I think. I just literally I have my headphones in, but I'm not listening to anything. This is the first stream where I'm actually listening to something, but you guys just can't hear it. That was just a short little tangent. So, boost. Yeah, okay, I have no clue how to do this. How to fix this. Ah, dude, hmm. Oh, one thing I could do is I could make it so you cannot collect a boost if you're currently boosting. Oh, okay. That could be a fix. Because I'd have no clue how you would have, like, override and invoke thing like this. I don't think that's currently possible. I think in class I would have to learn a new method of waiting or delaying something. But, okay. But what I can do is I can go up here and I can create a serialized field. Private bool is boosting equals false. Is boosting equals false. I don't think I have any... Yeah, I don't have anything here like that. So, is boosting equals false. So when you boost, let's go ahead and just make it true here. And then inside of the end boost invoke is boost equals false. And then up here, back up here, we're gonna go if is boosting, then I swear this is like the most annoying thing I've ever doing. Is boosting if you are boosting, or I should say if you're not boosting, then do all this. Otherwise, just do nothing. Otherwise, do nothing, ignore it, until otherwise. So I should save, go back, there are no errors. Please, 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 please. There are no errors. Let's go back to our menu. And this is like a bug that, like, no one's gonna find this, and even if someone does, they're not really gonna care. But, like, it's just... I'm very detailed. Okay, let's go. Whoosh. Whoosh. I can't. And now I can! Let's go! Sue! Okay. We fixed that bug. Nice. Okay, let's go back. I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove this image. Oh, you know what I used to do with my streams? I used to just create a poll. So, like a random poll just to keep, just like another thing to keep people engaged with watching the stream. I would always have some sort of poll, either asking a random funny question or like, what do you want the next stream to be? I would usually do that actually. Um, so I don't know. I would, hmm, what's, what's your, what is your favorite car? Red, uh, the red one, the big one, the, the electric, nah, the, you know what? Electric one, or the fast one. Random poll. Random poll. What's your favorite car? If it's the theme, you know, car. Also, I might change these live streams because, like, this is my format for my actual live streams. I might change that for my dev streams and my whatever other streams I want to do. I need to go get water actually, so I'm just gonna BRB. Hey guys, I'm back. So, we have essentially fixed all of our bugs. We have fixed two, like, basically, in a way, you could say we fixed four bugs, kind of. Because last stream, I got stuck with that whole tracking thing, keeping track of which levels you've completed and stuff. But this stream, we fixed that. We have fixed that bug. We fixed two unrelated bugs, and we have our main menu buttons like actually working with our tracking script that you can see right here. It just keeps track of public variables that can be used by all the scripts throughout the whole game. I'm out of breath. Oh, dude. So, we have like a full-on working game now. All we gotta do is add sound, music, and create level 1, 2, and 3. And while we already have the sprites for level 1, we already have the map for level 1. So, what is that? Oh, dude, that that was freaky, bro. I was generally like, dude, I don't remember adding a giant cloud in the sky. Like, what? Turns out it was just Stuber's little stump. Dude. Oh man. Yeah, see, so this is like the UI. For some reason, and the professor doesn't even know why. It's just like that. It's just like, I don't know, it's just there for some reason. Whatever. Okay, first off, are you serious? This whole time I've been zooming in and out with 2 fingers, you can just do this? Dude, I'm actually... Hey man, the more you learn. This is like life-changing actually. Anyways, where do I want to start? Ooh, you know what? I should make a sprite for like where the car like goes. Like, hmm, like a starting, like a spawn point, kind of. Not a spawn point, but like maybe like a car garage or something where you always start in and then you go into the map, you know? So I think I'm gonna do that actually. Hold on, I need to drink water. Okay. No, I mean, every time I go get water, I have to go up and down 2 floors of stairs and go across the, like, building. But, I mean, it's not that much. I should be out of breath. I'm just really unhealthy. It's a house where whenever the car hits a house, yeah. Yeah, we had a collision like 3 streams ago. 3 or 2 streams ago. We finished adding collision to all of the things. Um, yeah, we did that a while ago, man. I have a hydro flask, and you know, if I wasn't live streaming, I'd just turn on my camera and just show you my hydro flask. It's like a dark green hydro flask, really, really like sturdy. Um, it looks like it's 24 ounce, made in China. Yeah, here, I'll look it up. Dark green hydro flask water bottle. No, I mean, this is the right color. Oh wait, no, this is it. This is literally it, right here. This is my water bottle right here. Like, literally, that is it. Literally. Yeah, it was a gift that my cousin gave me, actually, in freshman year, I think. So that was like, I don't know, that was a while ago. But yeah. Anyways. Okay, let's create our garage sprite. So let's go into Photopea. Let's open new project. No, let's not open a new project. Let's go into our computer and let's get our Driver Dash assets. Okay, this is our full like folder. Oops, what did I do? What did I do? Hear me out. What did I do? Or what did he do? Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and create our garage. So I want it to be unique in the fact that I want it to like be transparent. Not transparent, but like there's a part of it you can see. Why is my thing like that? No, not what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing now? That got me watching. Cody dude! Cody dude, my man! That's my man right there, man. Okay. And we're gonna use the car as reference, so let's go ahead, let's get rid of all of this. Get rid of it all. We don't need it. We only need car. So based on the car, I would like to create a little like garage thing. So let's create the garage door opening. And the point of this is I want this part to be transparent. Like you can see inside of the like thing. See, it's all about perspective. You know? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? And the garage door is like one of those old garage doors that like opens upward. And so there's like a square. There's another square. It's gonna be 6 squares in total. Maybe like a little like, you know, like line here. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? Feel me, man? Okay. Maybe I feel like there needs to be like more decorations inside. Yeah, let's like fill it in. Let's fill it in. Outline color. Up, 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 up. Whoosh. No, 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 no. Oh, never mind. Bum, 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 bum. Boop, boop, boop. No. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Dun, 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 dun. And then I'm gonna create like a separate thing. Here, let me just like copy paste separate thing on floor outline, floor color, and I'm just gonna delete all that. Delete, delete, delete. Uh-huh. This is gonna be color. This is gonna be the floor. Just so that like you can't see the grass. So I really want to give that like 3D, like you're actually inside of this building perspective, you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Wrong thing. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 5. 5. 1, 5. Ba 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 ba. Okay, done. Done. Where's my car? It's right here. And the car goes in between. Just like that. So in the game, it will look like this. Like, it will look... And there's gonna be collisions. There's gonna be collisions. But then you drive out. So see what I'm going for? Do you see what I'm going for, man? It's gonna be like this, man. Man, it's gonna be like this, like... Okay. But I do want to add, like, more details, honestly. Um... More... Station floor. I don't know how to spell garage, I'm just gonna call it station. No, I'm not gonna be lazy. Garage. Is that actually how you spell it? Wow. Garage floor. Hmm. Hmm. Garage. Yeah. And then, you know what? You want we always? You know that tree, it has these effects, right? Let's copy those effects. Let's bring them up to the garage color. Now we talking. That is clean, bro. Nice. Okay, but I do want to add more detail. So let's go ahead and just do that right now. Detail. I want to add like something, man. Maybe like I don't know, what, like a woo woo, like a woo like a like a. I'm tilting my head sideways. I don't need to tilt my head sideways, actually. Let's add like a one of those racks, you know. One of those like racks thing that holds like a hammer. Oh wait, no, hammers are like upside down, aren't they? And then like uh a thing, and then a crowbar, then like a box of like other stuff. Stereotypical garage, you know what I'm saying? And then maybe over here I can add like a shelf. That doesn't... it's kind of hard to tell that apart from like a window or like a picture. What if there's just like a upside down go? Like an arrow, like a backrooms arrow from the backrooms. Like a potted, like a potted plant, and another potted plant, and a stick. That totally doesn't look like a face. Go! And, oh, wait, I should delete this. Inside my color, let's just go ahead and delete it. Yeah, let's delete this. Wow, let's be careful. These ragged Ragged lines, man. Ragged lines. Hey, I should actually... You know what I should do? I should explain why these lines are so ragged for the 20th time. Get Duber up in here. I can explain to him again how this is the Jazz and Robot art style and that they use ragged lines and not smooth lines. Oh, it's lagging so much because of the effect. By the way, I'm not afraid to say it. The reason Jazz and Wilbur tries to use ragged lines isn't because of an art style choice. Even though it is a little, the main reason is simply because I'm lazy. Like, it's not a profound art stylistic choice that I just was such a genius Einstein was like, let's make it not smooth. No, it was just I'm lazy and I'm not taking like it totally 100% serious. I'm just, anyways. So the car goes like that, vroom, vroom, and then there's gonna be a collision there, blah blah blah. I can add polygon collisions, so it's realistic. Or no, I'll just add box collisions. I don't need to be all that. Alright, so this is our garage. Let's go ahead and save just in case I crash. Because, hey, remember, I can crash any second. Earlier today, I was watching Donnie Boobs, and, my computer crashed, actually. Just like 10 minutes into the video, I was eating lunch. It just crashes. So far, it hasn't crashed during a stream, which I'm surprised. I'm surprised it hasn't crashed yet. But it will eventually. Wait. Wait a second. Why does that do that thing? Let's fix that thing, the thing. Gotta go like that. Gotta go like that. Then you gotta, like... And, yeah. And then... There we go. Okay. We got it. We got it. Okay, let's go ahead. No. Okay. Get rid of this. Let's do that. Boom. Save. Garage. No. Let's not do that. Save. Garage. Boom. And then same thing. Same size. Garage. Floor. Boom. So hopefully I can put them both together and line it up. Hopefully I won't even need to line it up. Hopefully it will just be perfect. Okay, save. Save the PSD file, close. Oh man. Okay. Now in here, let's create a garage. Like, how do I do this seamless? How about I add it down here? Yeah, down here. Let's go ahead and add the image first. Add the image. Oh man. So right here, let's add them both at the same... No, man. Bruh. Garage. Garage floor. Let's rename it. We just garage. Rename this. I want garage floor to be inside of you. Inside the garage. And I want the order layer to be -1. Then I'm just gonna align it. So, yeah, I think that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. So now when I grab the garage, there we go. So now, let's hold up. We gotta, boom, 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 boom. Okay, the garage is a bit big. Compared to the others. Let's bring it back to 1. Okay, let's get our car. Where's our car? I'm curious. If I move the car, it moves the camera too. Interesting. Okay, okay, good, good. So as of right now, it goes over. Because the car's order is 0, so the garage should be 1. So now, yes, yes. Okay. Like, yeah, like right there. I'm thinking, right. I want the arrow to be visible. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Okay, I'm curious. I'm curious to see. Well, okay, hold up. Let's go ahead and add our collisions. So, garage. Can we just add a box collision? I think we're gonna need multiple box collisions here. So, let's just create a new game object. We're gonna call it garage collision. We're gonna reset the transform and we're going to put it inside of our garage. Then we're going to go ahead and add a box collider 2D. Let's see where it is right now. Where are you? Where is it? Actually no, let's create a 2D object sprite square. Let's name it garage collision. Put it inside of our garage. Let's reset the transform. Let's make it in, let's for now make it red. Let's make that. And then let's just change the like where it is. Also to let's yeah. This here, let's rotate it a bit. Rotate. Okay. Duplicate. rotate. The professor talked about how he doesn't use this tool because there's so much. This tool literally has everything. It has moves, rotate, and size and move. But I mean, why wouldn't you use it? If it has everything, like I would use it. I'm literally using it right now and it's like really effective. Well, rotate. There we go. There we go. Now let's just make it transparent. Garage coalition. Let's save. Go back to menu. Press play. Man. Yeah, if this game doesn't and I can like rotate in here too and stuff. So this is the official like spawn point now of the car. Dude, this is so cool. This is genuinely so cool. You know what else I could add? I could add like transparent clouds to the road that like move across the map. Nah, that's overkill. I could though. Dude, I'm about to die, bro. You know what? Let's just die. Because it's been a while since we tested dying to the timer. La 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 la. Oops. Ooh. Okay, that's a bug. The timer for some reason goes to like -1 blah blah blah. Dun, dun. Ooh, and when you play again it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, okay, we got some bugs. That's fine. Dun, 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 dun. Um, so let's go ahead and fix that one thing. I feel like that's really easy. Just like when you play again. So in our driver, um, where's is timer is running equals true. Menu, play game. And it's like blah 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 blah. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Easy. Pretty sure that fixed that. But the whole timer thing, I don't know how to fix. I'm just gonna save that just because. Should we test that? I mean, might as well. Let's just test it. Why not? Go ahead. Wait 45 seconds. Walla walla woo, walla 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 wee. I love this spawn point idea that I had. This spawn point idea I had, it makes it almost an iconic scene. When you go into the level and you always see that no matter what level you're at, it adds some sort of consistency feel to the game. And I really, really like that. Also, when you go out of bound, I should make it so the timer also stops when you go out of bound. That should be an easy fix too. I'm gonna clarify, or I'm gonna see if that's an actual bug. I'm pretty sure it is. You died. And the timer goes again. Okay, let's go test out thing. Drive back. Oops. Yeah, see, the timer doesn't. And, you know, that's just That's gonna cause some sort of error. So, I'm gonna make it so when you touch the, bound, out of bound, you lose, you die. I'm gonna make it so stats, blah blah blah. Oops. Timer false. That should fix that. Save. So now, and I don't know why there's an error whenever I go out of bound and die. I honestly don't know why that is. Let's go ahead and test it. Boom. Timer stops. Because it doesn't seem like the error like messes up the game. See, and the timer restarts. You can go to menu. And it was only once? The error only occurred once for some reason. Wow, this is really turning out to be like a real game. I'm honestly shocked. Okay, what time is it? I have to go to dinner in like an hour from now, but that's not, we still have a lot of time. But I'm gonna BRB. I gotta go let a big one out, so I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back, and you know what? I just thought of something. Why don't I have to be continued music? When I go to be continued, why don't I have to be continued music? Like a group, like a playlist of music that plays specifically for to be continued. And you know what I should do? For to be continued, I should also like play, I don't know, some clips or something. Something to entertain people while I, to be continued. Interesting. Interesting. Anyways, where were we? Wait, where were we? Like, actually, I generally don't remember. Oh yeah, okay, so there is another bug. When the timer does run out, it goes to like negatives and stuff. Um, I don't want it to do that, and I know why. Is that all? Save, go back. Hey, that might have fixed it. If it didn't, I'll just force it to be 0, 0 when 0, you know? Okay, let's go ahead, wait 45 seconds. Room, room, I'm so violent. Dude, if this was like a high school thing and you turn this in, and it's like you're running over these, and that's not meant to be blood, that's meant to be disapproval, but it looks like blood. If I was in high school, that would be like such a, like I would get like an F, I would go to the dean or something. I've never gone to the deans ever before, but because I'm just such a good little boy. I'm such a good little boy. Okay, it still went to the negatives. So, instead, I'm simply going to do equals um 0 and 0. Okay, that should work. If that doesn't work, I'll just create something outside of it that simply says if it's ever below 0, just make the timer 0. Or you know what I could do? Ooh, I just had an idea. I might just do that anyways. Even if this does work, I think I might do that anyways. Driving around the town, gotta drive around, wow, 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 wow. Gotta ooh. Hey, okay, so it works, but actually I can just do timer text dot color equals color dot red. And I wonder, will it reset back to white? Will it reset back to white? Let's see. Yeah, we're driving around town. Dooba dooba dabba dooba da doo. Yeah, we got that boost and we're driving around. Dooba dooba gabba dooba da doo. Yeah, we got another boost and we're driving around. Gonna go over here and get another boosty boost. Gotta go over here. That house has a face. This has a face. That has a face. Every house has a face. What? Who decided to design it like that? All my houses will have faces. Yeah, because I wanted to. Yeah, Okay, let's see. Red. Play again. Hey, it does reset back. Alright. Okay. Oh man. Oh man, yeah, yeah. Okay, so da ba da da dee da ba da ba do da dee 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 dee. Okay, that solves that problem. So I'm just gonna save that. I'm gonna close the timer because I'm pretty sure we don't need this. Pretty sure we don't need wind text anymore. Pretty sure we don't need menu levels anymore. And I'm just gonna keep stats open because I mean that's good practice. I'll even put it on. I'll put it over there. Okay, we have driver and delivery. Okay, let's go back to level 1. Go in here, and let's simply put our stuff around. So customers, we got the D bird, do ba do ba do ba do ba da do da ba dee la ee. Uh, let's say Duber's really weird, really, really weird, and he's just like over here. Wow. I gotta be really strategic with this placement. Let's make. Aren't they above? No, why aren't they above? Wait. Why? Hmm. Should I make them above? If I make them all... If I make them all 1, then that means the car can't drive over them. What would that look like? Um... Yeah. He's right here, man. He's outside of his house, you know? Brad. You know Brad? Man, we know Brad. Brad? And he's down here. That's his house. Oh, and you know Cheeseball, man? Oh, dude, he's so near, bro. I don't even know why, but, like, up in here, man. Or maybe he's right here. Okay, that's reasonably spread out. Resident Evil Requiem Part 3 multiplier. Okay. So, oh, burgers for Duber. Just add it there. Apple is for bread. Add it over here. And chicken nuggets. Duber's huge thing is in the way. How do I get... Can I just disable? Canvas. Disable. Thank you, man. Oh, always in the way, man. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and play test this. Go to menu. Oh, wait. Save. Hold on, we have to go back. Level 1. Canvas. Yes, you can see the canvas. Okay, go back to not win. Go back to menu. Press play. We're gonna game design test this. We're gonna see if my placements for all of them are reasonable. Room. So you gotta like, okay, bread is there. Burger is for Duber, so I gotta figure out where Duber is. Okay, got another boost. Oh, Duber. Oh, Apple. Apple is for bread. Bread is over here. Yeah. Okay. And then shoot. Wait, where's I'm trying to really sell this. Oh shoot, I got stuck. Dude. Dude, where's Alright. So our game isn't easy. I remember Burger or Duber. Wait, where's Duber? Oh, it's up here. Apple for bread. There it is. Chicken nuggets. Whoosh. And I remember cheese bug being down here. Then I did it. Do 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 do. Honestly, this is good. I like it. I feel like I feel like when people play this, you're not gonna win the first round, but you will probably, I feel like most people are just gonna win the second. I'm gonna place more boosts. I feel like placing a little bit more boosts around the map. So let's go back. Scene. Boosts. Got a wet golden apple. Let's go ahead and duplicate. I want to add one in the middle. And because it goes like this, I feel like it goes like this. So I want another boost. So I'm gonna actually make another boost and put it like right here. I'm trying to give more. I'm trying to make it a little easier. It goes like this. There's the apple burger. The thing is there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Save. Go back to the menu. Let's game design test again. One. Burger. Not a boost. Apple. No, you don't want the apple. Dude, even... Maybe I should increase the time. Well, I don't want to make it too easy. But that's something the professor talked about. He's talked about how he has gotten turned in projects that are close to impossible and doesn't want to play through our whole games because of it. So I feel like if he fails the first time, he might just go, yeah, okay, whatever, it's impressive, we got a timer, blah blah blah, I'm not gonna play through the whole thing. And he's just gonna, say that someone else's game is better when that's not true. Obviously. Oh man. Okay. Car. It's lowercase. It's lowercase car, guys. I remember that, and when I was making this title, it's lowercase car. Okay. Did we do level 1? I think we just did it. I'm pretty sure we just created level 1. Might tweak a couple things later, but you know what? We just created level 1. So let's go ahead, mark level 1 as completed. Alright, let me give birth real quick. Alright, so there's a little thing right here in between making level 2 and level 3. We're going to have to make level 2 sprites, which is a farm. I want it to be like a farm map. And then we're going to make level 3 sprites, which is going to be a cave map. So, but in between that, we gotta create sounds. Because so far, we haven't even learned in class how to make sounds yet. There's this one guy in class that's he seems like he's really ahead of the game, you know. So in class he asked the teacher, hey, can I create sounds for the first project number guesser, even though it's just a number guesser? Hey, I'm not saying he's like bad or anything, but like, I don't know, he's a little bit of a show off, I feel. No, he's not a show off, he's just ahead, you know, he's Einstein. So, all of that to say that there are other people that are probably going to be Einstein just like me, and they are going to try and think ahead, just like Einstein did, when he was thinking ahead with his E equals MC squared. So we gotta think ahead too. And blah 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 blah. Sound background music, let's do it. Okay, let's just look it up. How to add sound in Unity 2D. Let's look up a video. Why are these so long? So, yeah, I'll let you guys do this.
And if you think otherwise, well, just watch this footage of Ori and the Blind Forest with and without sound effects.
Yeah, sound is so important, you have no idea. Sound is one of the most important things, not just sound,
all these little
but music is so important, not just in games, but in like film and books. No, I'm kidding.
Details and sound effects contribute a lot in the game's overall quality and how the players feel when playing it. So with the intro out of the way, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell, and let's get on with the video. Alright, so now
No, I'm kidding, I'm not. Haha!
we have three buttons right here. These buttons represent different sounds. I'm gonna be playing 3 sounds, and we'll make these sound effects well play. So first of all, we have 3 buttons right here. Each button should play a certain sound. So how do we do this? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an empty game object. I'm gonna call it SRC, and I'm gonna add an audio source object to this empty game object. So
Audio
has
source. Huh?
an audio source component. It's literally just an audio source. This is where the sound effects are gonna come out from. Alright, so it's really easy to program this. We'll just go to Canvas or go to wherever your script is located, and I'm gonna create a new script. I'm just gonna call it Sound Effects Player. Alright, so now we have this sound effects player script right here. We have the start function and the update function. Keep them if you want, and just program in where you want the sound effects to play. But we're dealing with buttons right here. I'm gonna make a public audio source object, SRC. I'm gonna create another public audio clip object, and I'm gonna put in SFX1, SFX2, and SFX3. We have 3 audio clip objects right here. So we have 3 different audio clips in our button Now you can call them whatever you want in a public void button 1. I'm gonna copy it and then make a button 2 script and a button 3. Sorry, a button 2 function and a button 3 function. Perfect. So when we press button 1, what do we want to do? We want to call the src.clip equals sfx1. Perfect. And then src.play.
Oh. So, hold up. Wait a minute. Okay, I still don't really understand.
Awesome. Now we want to do the same things.
Well, he zoomed in for us, I zoomed in. Well, whatever.
So, copy this, paste this right here, sfx2, sfx3 for the third sound effect. Awesome. So what this will do is, let's just go back. So what this will do is that we're going to call the src object. So we're going to put the audio source right here. We're going to call it right here. We're going to call this component the audio source component from the src game object. We want to call it, and we want to call the src.clip. This is the clip. So when we call it, we call src.clip. What is clip? This is the clip right here, audio clip. Alright, awesome. Now we have 3 different sound effects right here. I just quickly downloaded them from SFXR, and I'm gonna go back to the script. I'm gonna add the SFX1, SFX2, and then I'm gonna put in the SFX3 right here. Perfect. We're just gonna select all the buttons, and then I'm gonna put the canvas to all of them. Now I'm gonna go to the first button. I'm gonna assign it as button 1, gonna assign the second one as button 2, and the third one as button 3. Perfect. Now it should work. Now if we play, if we click on the sound 1, sound 2, and then the sound 3. Perfect, they all work. This was just a quick tutorial. Check out this video where I made a game about milk, lasers, and the cat that has gravity powers. Don't forget to like and
About milk, lasers, and cats. Wow. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so basically you just add that audio thing, right?
empty game object. So
Audio source. So, you know what I want to do, cheese? Yes. We do have cheese, actually. We have cheese with legs. And you might have saw last stream, but, yeah. I don't know where it is. Where's my cheese? Where's my cheese? I don't know where my cheese is. Not here? Oh, it's here. I don't know where it is. I don't know where my cheese is. But regardless, hello. What the flip is up? Yo, what's good? Oh, yeah, I want to listen to my thing now. So, okay, so all we have to do is add like an audio source. So inside of our car, here, I want to, oh, okay. Inside of our car, which is where I think all of our audio is going to come from, right? Right? Or we can do what he did. Add a, like, new game object. We can do, like... Let's just try and add music. Music... Let's just add music. Reset the transform. Add component audio... Okay, audio source. Mute, bypass reverb, play on awake, loop. Interesting. Audio generate. Interesting. Okay, so we need to create a new folder, I believe. Let's create a new folder now, assets. Let's name it music. we're gonna create another folder, we're gonna make it sound. So in our music folder, I'm thinking, okay, we gotta get our music now, man. What's our car music? See, in Roblox, what you can do is you can just go to Roblox, you can go to create, you can go to the store. We could add like any music we want, actually. I'm pretty sure, because it's not like I'm publishing this game, so I'm pretty sure we can add like any music. Well, where am I? They changed the store, dude. Audio. Here. From now on, I guess I can't listen to synthwave. Sigh. So let's do like a good lobby music. So let's do like yeah, let's go electronic. I like electronic music. We're gonna go to 4 so we don't get any of the popular stuff. We get the yeah. This could be it. This can be our main menu music. Yeah, honestly, I'm feeling this is it. Can I just download it? Please, bro. Can I just like get audio? Uh, so you're telling me I can't just download this? Are you serious right now, bro? I have to like record it? Download Roblox audios MP3. Okay, so wait, let's do this. Let's do this. So yeah, I do have a clean link without page number. Keep inspect element open and then yeah, okay. I do keep inspect element open. Oh, F12 and go to network. Keep inspect element open and press R, Control R to refresh page. Scroll down and find blob. This will be your audio file. Right click on it and press open to new tab. Whoa. An encrypted file will then be put in your downloads folder to get the actual file you need to add MP3 at the end. Really? Is that it? Yo, I've never seen this before. Let's try it. So, press F12. Go to network. Where's my network? Where's my network? Right here. Refresh. I saw it. Like before I refresh the page, I saw the blob thing. inspect, open, and then press Control R to refresh the page. Scroll down and find Glob. Whoa! What? Man, that's crazy. Did I download it? Did I download it? No, I'm not gonna say that again. Let's go down and find, this will be your audio file. Open new tab. I don't know about that. How about this? Open new tab. Whoa! Man, that's crazy. Are there any others? I guess I'm just gonna refresh the page. And then I'm gonna scroll down. Maybe they patched this. There's two blobs. And they seem to be like the exact same thing. So the thing says open it, but it just brings me to like this first page. It seems like it's encrypted or something. Is this what encryptions look like? Wow. That's crazy. The encrypted file will be put in your downloads folder. No, dude, I go into my downloads and I don't see nothing, man. And I don't see nothing. Let's start. No, I don't. Update. Roblox passed this method due to the UI revamp in blah blah blah. Trying to grab the file via inspect only will just give you a massive text file or bytecode. You can work around this issue by downloading OBS and then recording. Dude, that's literally what I'm trying not to do here. Solution to update. You can also right-click the link right above the blob and open it, and it will automatically download. Are you serious? Hold up. Oh. Hold up. This? And also right-click the link right before the blobs and open it in a new tab and it will automatically download the audio. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I don't know, because I really don't want to go through the whole, I have OBS, I mean, I just don't want to go through the whole, recording it and then go into Filmora and get my sounds and like turn it into MP3 files. I don't want to go through that, man. And I'll be honest, I do have to go to dinner in like 12 minutes from now. So, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave it off here. So, here, I wanna see if is anyone watching? Let them cook. I said let them cook. Exactly, man. But I'm gonna leave it off here. We did a lot in this stream. It was a 2-hour, like 30-minute stream. We actually did do a fair amount. We fixed basically every single bug in the game, along with we finished level 1. So next stream, I'm actually going to record all the music and all the sound effects, pre-stream, so so no one has to suffer through the process of recording everything, putting it into my editing software, and then converting it to an MP3 file, blah blah blah. It's just really, really repetitive, really just whatever. I don't want to do that live. So I'm gonna do that, and then next stream we're gonna actually put together our sound effects, background music, and then we're gonna work on level 2 and 3, the sprites and the map. Okay? Give birth. Okay. That's about it. See ya.